The importance of proper functioning. Diesel engines are designed to withstand high levels of stress and pressure, making them ideal for heavy-duty equipment and vehicles. However, in order to keep these engines running smoothly, it's crucial that their cooling water systems are functioning properly. In this blog, we will examine the importance of diesel engine cooling water systems, how they work, and how to maintain them. The role of cooling water systems in diesel engines. Diesel engines generate a significant amount of heat as they operate. This heat can cause damage to engine components and reduce its efficiency if not properly managed. To prevent this, diesel engines are equipped with cooling water systems that regulate the engine's temperature. Cooling water is circulated through the engine block and cylinder head to absorb the heat generated during operation, and then expelled through a radiator or heat exchanger to dissipate it into the surrounding air or water. Maintaining proper cooling water system functionality. To ensure that your diesel engine's cooling water system is functioning properly, there are a few key maintenance tasks you should perform. Check the coolant level regularly. The coolant level in your diesel engine should be checked at least once a month. If the level is low, you may have a leak or other issue that needs to be addressed. Replace the coolant. Diesel engine coolant should be replaced every 2 years or after 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. Neglecting to replace the coolant can result in corrosion, clogs, and other issues that can reduce the efficiency of the cooling system. Check hoses and clamps. The hoses and clamps that connect the radiator and engine block should be inspected regularly for cracks, leaks, and loose connections. If any issues are detected, they should be repaired or replaced immediately. Monitor temperature gauge. Regularly monitoring the temperature gauge can alert you to potential issues with the cooling water system. If the temperature is consistently running higher than normal, it could indicate a clog in the system or another issue that needs to be addressed. In conclusion, the cooling water system in a diesel engine is critical to its proper functioning and longevity. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent issues and keep your diesel engine running smoothly for years to come. By following the steps outlined in this